Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the easy process of logging into your Mailchimp account. Follow these simple steps to access your account quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use any browser that you are comfortable with, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Navigate to the Mailchimp website. In the address bar, type in the URL www.mailchimp.com and press enter. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage. Step 3. Locate the login button. On the Mailchimp homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, you need to enter your registered email address and password associated with your Mailchimp account. Make sure you input the correct information to avoid any login issues. Step 5. Click on the login button. After entering your email and password, click the login button. This will initiate the login process and should grant you access to your account if your credentials are correct. Step 6. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have enabled two-factor authentication for your Mailchimp account, you will be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your device or email. Input the code and hit Submit to proceed. Step 7. Explore your Mailchimp dashboard. Congratulations! Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, you can manage your lists, campaigns, templates, and more. Remember to log out of your account if you are using a shared device to ensure your information remains secure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.